Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of BioBlitz Brilliance. So today we are going to learn about a topic that most of the 12th biology students face difficulties in understanding the concept of that topic. So topic is nervous system. When listening to the nervous system, the thing which comes in our mind कि nervous system होता क्या है? अब हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज हम करते हैं वॉलंटरी और कुछ एक्टिविटीज होते हैं जो इनवॉलंटरी होते हैं। तो बेसिकली हमारे बॉडी में जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज होते हैं उन सभी एक्टिविटीज को कंट्रोल करने के लिए या कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए एक सिस्टम होता है हमारे बॉडी में जिसको हम कहते हैं नर्वस सिस्टम। अब जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज होती हैं हमारे बॉडी में उनको कंट्रोल या कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए नर्वस सिस्टम कैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, आई मीन कैसे करता है। तो नर्वस सिस्टम बेसिकली सिग्नल्स को भेजकर या सिग्नल्स को रिसीव करके या सिग्नल्स को डिटेक्ट करके, आई मीन टू से बाय सेंडिंग, रिसीविंग एंड डिटेक्टिंग द सिग्नल्स और इंपल्सेस, नर्वस सिस्टम कंट्रोल्स और रेगुलेट्स ऑल द एक्टिविटीज इनसाइड आवर बॉडी। That was all about the nervous system. Now, what does the nervous system is made up of? Nervous system is basically made up of three components: brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. We all know what is brain, we all know what is spinal cord. The thing which comes in our mind is what is known about nerves. So, when we tell a neuron and nerve, neuron is a single unit. And when we take the bunch of that single unit, I mean to say neuron, then the bunch of the neuron can be said as nerves. So the nervous system is basically made up of three main components: brain, spinal cord and nerves. Now, this was all about the component of the nervous system. What are the types of nervous system in our body? There are basically two types of nervous system in our body, and that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Now, what is central nervous system and why we call it as a central nervous system? Now, if we consider as a body, this is the central axis which runs through our body. The brain lies in the center axis, as well as the brain as well as spinal cord also lies in our central axis. So, first main reason is that according to the position, the brain and spinal cord comes in a central nervous system. Second reason, these two are the main components of the central nervous system that helps to control all the activities and all the systems in our body. So these are the two basic reasons why we include brain and spinal cord inside the central nervous system. Now the second one, peripheral nervous system. What is meant by peripheral nervous system? What it is made up of? So central nervous system, or from the central nervous system many nerves comes around. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. So here we have written central nervous system, the nerves arises out from the central nervous system. All the nerves which comes out of the central nervous system, it means from brain, cranial nerves comes out, from spinal cord, spinal nerves comes out. So nerves which we are talking about over here are the nerves that are known as cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Now both these types of nerves constitute peripheral nervous system. In all, if I sum up, all the nerves or the neurons which comes out from the central nervous system, it makes the peripheral nervous system, which helps in attachment to the other system or other parts of the body. Now, from the peripheral nervous system, or the peripheral nervous system is made up of two types of nerve. First is afferent nerves and second one is efferent nerves. Afferent nerves and efferent nerves both make up two different types of system. First is autonomic nervous system and second one is somatic nervous system. Now, what is somatic nervous system, what is function, what is autonomic nervous system and what is its function? Somatic nervous system is that of type of nervous system जो हमारे बॉडी के वॉलंटरी एक्टिविटीज को कंट्रोल करने में हेल्प करता है। अब वॉलंटरी एक्टिविटीज क्या होते हैं? अगर मैं हाथों का मूवमेंट ऐसे कर सकता हूँ, पैरों का मूवमेंट ऐसे कर सकता हूँ, तो ये मूवमेंट्स हमारे कंट्रोल में है। Therefore, all the activities that we can perform with our control, that is known as voluntary activities. और voluntary activities को कोऑर्डिनेट या कंट्रोल करने के लिए जो सिस्टम हमारे बॉडी में रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है उसे हम कहते हैं सोमैटिक नर्वस सिस्टम। मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट नर्वस सिस्टम, ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम। अगर आपने ध्यान दिया रहेगा तो यहाँ पे ऑटो लिखा हुआ है एंड वी ऑल नो ऑटो मीन्स ऑटोमेटिक। सो ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम, इट मीन्स that nervous system which helps to control all the involuntary activities that happen in our body. Now what is meant by involuntary activities? For example, beating of heart. हम हार्ट की बीटिंग को रोक सकते हैं, हम ऐसा पकड़ के ये सोच सकते हैं कि हार्ट बीट को हम रोक रहे हैं, but we cannot stop the beating of the heart. Movement of the visceral organs or all the actions of the all organs which are present internally. So involuntary activities means all the activities or all that activities which are not under our control, that is known as involuntary activities. So somatic nervous system helps to control voluntary activities and autonomic nervous system helps to control all the involuntary activities. Now moving next one. Now autonomic nervous system is also divided into two types of nervous system, sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Now what is meant by sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system? Now, if we consider our body state, then there may be two states. One, हमारा बॉडी या तो एक्साइटेड स्टेट में रह सकता है या तो हमारा बॉडी नॉर्मल रेस्ट कंडीशन में रह सकता है। तो whenever our body comes in an excited state or when our body comes in an excited position, so in that form or in that phase हमारे बॉडी को जो कंट्रोल करने के लिए या उनके एक्शंस को कंट्रोल या रेगुलेट करने के लिए इन एक्साइटेड कंडीशन जो नर्वस सिस्टम हेल्प करता है उसको हम कहते हैं सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम। और ये नर्वस सिस्टम हमारे बॉडी को एक्साइटेड कंडीशन में रहने के लिए कंट्रोल या रेगुलेट कैसे करता है? बाय प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एन हार्मोन नोन एज एड्रेनलिन। और ये एड्रेनलिन प्रोड्यूस होता है एड्रेनल ग्लैंड में। नाउ वेयर इज एड्रेनलिन सिचुएटेड? ऑन द टॉप ऑफ किडनी। नेक्स्ट, पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम। व्हाट इज मीन बाय पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम? Parasympathetic nervous system is a type of nervous system which helps to control or adapt our body when our body is in the relaxed or we can say rest condition. For example, when we are sleeping, digestion process is performing in our body. So for the digestion process, it is a process which performs when our body is in relaxed condition. So at the time of relaxed condition, या हमारा body जब relaxed condition में होता है तो वो टाइम पे जो नर्वस सिस्टम हमारे बॉडी के एक्शंस को कंट्रोल या कोऑर्डिनेट करने में हेल्प करता है उनको हम कहते हैं पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम। So yeah, this was all about the basics of nervous system. In the upcoming lectures, we will discuss about what is brain, different parts of brain, different function or different parts of brain. Second, neuron, what are the neuronal units, what are the neuron supporting cells, how the impulses are conducted and transmitted and all that. So this was all about the basics of this nervous system. If you understand all these things clearly, please do share, like and subscribe my channel for the more upcoming informational videos. So stay tuned. Thank you.